Hello, I'm Rebecca Laurie, Industrial Market Manager for Lex Products. In this video series, we are discussing quad stringer distribution. A quad stringer, or QBS, is a cable that has 3 small boxes spaced out along the length of the cable extension. Typically, these are 50 feet in length with 10-foot spacing between each box. The spacing allows you to drop power to multiple points of your location with one cable. The quad stringer cable uses an L2120 20 amp, 120 volt, 3-phase device on the input and feed-through, providing daisy chain capabilities. Each box has a color-coded 520 20 amp duplex receptacle on one side and a 520 20 amp GFCI duplex on the other. The color of the duplexes indicate which phase in the system these receptacles pull from: black, red, or blue. The 2 rubber distribution boxes shown here have 3-phase, 5-wire 16 series CAM inputs to L2120 receptacles. These boxes are distribution hubs for the quad stringer setup. In these units, each L2120 output has 3 single-pole branch-rated circuit breakers. The reason for this is that if one phase does get overloaded, the remaining 2 will not trip and continue to provide power. The quad boxes that are in line with the phase that has tripped will stop working. The remaining 2 boxes on each quad stringer will continue to work. This makes it easy to identify where the issue is. Some L2120 distribution boxes use 3-pole breakers on the output, meaning if one phase is overloaded, all 3 phases will trip. This is less ideal for applications using quad stringers. When utilizing the single pole design in conjunction with the quad stringers, you can easily see which phase of power you are connecting devices to. Be sure to disperse the load over the black, red, and blue duplexes throughout the system. Divide up the load based on the power draw of each device to not overload an individual phase. A system like this is commonly used for temporary shelters, carnivals, conventions, and a variety of events that require temporary power. Lex Products, we deliver the power.